Hello there guys, we've done the brake pipe on the Hyundai yesterday, but there's another issue that we need to look at. I'll flip the camera around to show you. It's about the ABS. Right now, as you can see right there, the ABS light is on. We plugged in the OBD scanner and we reset it to try to get it going away, but it keeps coming back. So we think it needs a new hub at the back on the left side, which is the passenger side. So I went to buy it. Let me just get it to show you. Right, it's over here. This is the wheel hub. It has a speed sensor. When we were scanning, it was saying speed sensor on the left rear, which is this one. Now, because we were not quite sure which one is left, is it from looking at the car from the front or from the back? So what we did is, while the scanner was plugged in, we removed the cable on the right side, which is the driver's side rear, and then it showed another error. So when we put back that cable on the speed sensor on the driver's side, the code went away. So which means this is the one that we have to change, the passenger rear. So I'm gonna remove it, remove the wheel, and then put a new one, plug the scanner again. Actually, before plugging the scanner, after putting this one, we'll just start the car and see if this light goes away, because sometimes you don't have to do that. If it's good, the light just goes away. So I'll switch it off and then go to start working on that. Now this is the price I paid for the wheel hub. Okay, so it says here the bearing wheel hub. Okay, I'm not gonna show you the top of the, because it's the name of the company. I don't want to be doing that, because people will go buy from where I bought it, and then they say the part is junk, and then they say, oh, this, they start complaining. So I'll just show you how much I bought it from where. Well, you have to look for the shop yourself. So this is the wheel that you're going to be taking out. So I'm going to get the jack, lift it up, quickly take it out. Okay. Right, there the wheel is out. It uses this old-fashioned drum system. So, okay, the speed sensor is right here. Okay, so we're gonna remove the cable. Removing this, you just press, I guess, this way. You just press the clip and then the cable just comes off. Then we remove these 4 bolts so that this thing comes out. I don't think we need to remove anything else, and I hope we won't need to remove this brake fluid pipe. I hope we don't need. We can just remove this here to make it a little bit movable, and this one as well. I think we have to, yeah, we'll remove this one and this one so it can move about a little bit. But these are the 4 main bolts that we have to remove, that are all holding the hub. I'll remove this and remove the drum, see how it is inside. Okay, so let's get this done. Yeah, I removed the 4 bolts. They're there. So the whole thing, as you can see, came off. So this doesn't come on its own. So I think I have to remove all these bits here, remove these pipes, and I might need to remove the brake fluid pipe as well, and the handbrake. So I will just carry on and I'll see what happens. Okay, so but at the moment the whole thing just came out. I thought it should come. I was hoping that this will come out on its own, but it looks like this is wedged between this and this bracket here. So this whole plate here is in between, so it's coming out as well. So let me just remove all these pipes and see what happens. Guys, this thing wouldn't come out. This is why I removed everything and hammer it and hammer it. It wouldn't come out. So I got a heat gun here, heated the whole thing, get very hot, and then smash the whole thing with a hammer. Then it started sliding out, as you can see. WD-40 wasn't getting in, so it's a piece of work to take this thing out, especially on these rusty old cars. So be careful out there. So I'm gonna put a new one here, put it inside, and then put back the wheel. Right, I have done it. It's a bit stiff because I think after removing all those, they kind of pulled to the sides. So I'm just gonna put the wheel and then pull the handbrake, press the brakes, get it going, keep on checking it. Okay, it was a pain because of rust. My goodness, it took me almost forever just to do this. So I'm going to start it and see if the ABS light is still on. Plug in the scanner. If it's still on, reset it and see what happens. Okay, right, just started it. As you can see, the ABS light is gone now. Okay, there's that green one there. I think it just needs some of the liquids to be topped up, maybe coolant, and then that's it. So this is done. I've pulled the handbrake up and down, and I'll go to see if it will spin. But remember, I removed that pipe as well, so I will bleed the brakes because I removed this brake fluid pipe, so there will be a little bit of air in it. So okay guys, there was a little bit of a mistake somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'll remove this just to show you where I went wrong, and I'm doing this so that if you're, let me just remove this. The reason it was stiff was because there's a spring here. You see this spring? It wasn't at the back. When I put it in front here. Okay, so these parts, they were kind of like that. All right, so they were not straight. So this is why it was touching on this. So I kept on trying, not understanding why it doesn't spin freely. So I decided to remove the wheel on the other side, and then I realized that the spring goes behind this. So I've put it behind. This is why now it's sliding in, it's not touching. Okay, so pay attention. This spring goes behind. There's another spring here, that's for the adjuster for the handbrake here. It adjusts itself. And then there's this long one. These springs are a pain to put them in, especially this big one here. A pain. Okay, so this is how it is. Don't forget, at the bottom here, it goes behind this. All right, so that is it. Bye bye.